All right, so welcome guys. My name is Paul Yaslino. I'm with Western States Fire Protection out of Denver, one of the inspectors here. Today we're going to learn about how to use a fire extinguisher. So the main things to learn are the 5 classes of fire. So we've got A, B, C, D, and K. A is anything that'll burn with an ember and leave an ash, so ordinary combustibles, trash, paper, stuff like that. B is anything that'll boil, so any flammable liquids. So gasoline, propane, kerosene, diesel. C is anything that has a current, so anything that's electrically energized. If an extinguisher is C rated, it can be used on it. The other 2 are D and K, which is combustible metals. And K is kitchen oils. So those ones are more specialized fire extinguishers. Most of the fire extinguishers that you're going to see in a business are going to be an ABC rated dry chemical stored pressure fire extinguisher. So it's going to be rated for A, B, and C fires. It's going to have dry chemical inside of it, and it's going to have a gauge that tells you that it's got pressure inside of it. During your inspections, you can check and make sure that the pointer's in the green. That way you know it's charged and ready to go. To use a fire extinguisher, we have a 4-letter acronym, which is PASS. P is for pull the pin, A is for aim at the base. The first S is to squeeze the handle. The second S is sweep at the base of the fire. So in order to do that, you grab your fire extinguisher and pull the pin. If it's a little bit hard to pull, you can twist it and it'll break that seal pretty easy. Then you grab your hose and aim at the base. Now we need some fire. So, we pulled the pin, we got our hose, we aim at the base, squeeze it away from the fire, so you know how it discharges, and then sweep from side to side. And then always back away from the fire, just in case it reignites. It looks like we got it. So that's how you use a fire extinguisher. Anytime you use a fire extinguisher, it needs to be recharged. Any use of it, whether you use all of it or a little bit of it, it needs to go and get recharged. So bring that to your safety person, set it aside, get a different one if you've got a spare. Otherwise, that's how we use a fire extinguisher.